Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today we've got another tool tutorial for you. This is the Black & Decker reciprocating saw, or Sawzall. This is model BDCR20. Camera's probably not going to pick that up that great, but it's BDCR20. So we're going to be going over the tool features of this, and then we're going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall a blade, and then we're just going to be going over the tiny little features. This is a pretty simple and easy saw to use, so we'll just get right into it. Shouldn't be a very long video. So we'll get right into how to remove and reinstall the battery. So you can see here we have our battery, and it's just going to slide in just like this by lining up these grooves right here with these grooves right here. And you just slide it in until you hear a click, and then to remove it, you're just going to press this orange button down and it's going to pop the battery right out. Okay. So our battery's in, and then just moving up the tool, we have our trigger right here, and then we have our lock and our unlock button. So you can see right here when we push this lock button in, that's going to lock the trigger. So we're not going to be able to use it. This is what you want if you're going to be transporting it. You always want the trigger locked, and you never want to transport it with a blade in it anyway. It's just a dangerous thing to do, and you're asking for trouble. So whenever you're transporting it, or even if it's in your car, just always take the blade out and throw it in lock, and then you're not going to have any issues. So then to unlock it, we'll just push this button in, and then you can see we're able to pull the trigger. Okay, and then now we'll show you how to install the blade, and to do that, again, we're going to take the battery out because we don't ever want this thing turning on accident. So we'll take the battery right out, and you can see here we have this little lever, and when we lift this lever up, it's going to open up the grooves in here and allow us to put our blade right in. So we're going to slide our blade in and just push it all the way down, push it all the way against the base, and then just release this lever. And then you're going to see our blade is secured. Our blade is in there. It's not going anywhere. So then just to remove the blade, we would lift this back up and then just pull our blade straight out, and you can see it comes out easily. Okay. So now we have our blade in. And now we'll show you the demonstration real quick. I'll just grab a 2x4. Okay, so we have our scrap 2x4 here, and we're just going to show you a quick demonstration. Ideally, I'd have this clamped down, but I don't have my clamps on me, so I'll just hold it with one hand as I'm cutting with the other. So we're just going to put our battery back in like I showed you, just like that. Push it till you hear a click. Okay, now our battery's in. Right now, it's locked, so we'll unlock it. Now our saw is going to turn on. And now when you're making a cut with a Sawzall, to make an accurate cut, it's fairly difficult to make accurate cuts. These are more for like demo tools, but it can be done. The one thing you're going to want to do to try to get it as accurately as possible is you never want to rest the blade on the wood and then pull the trigger, because it's just going to jump all over the place. You always want to start the blade in full and then plunge it down into your material, and that's going to ensure a nice cut. So we'll lift it up, and we're going to press the blade in, or we're going to press the trigger in to start the blade. Okay, and you could see there at first it still jumped a little bit. I mean, if I was using two hands like you're supposed to, if I didn't have to hold this and wasn't filming, I probably could have gotten it a lot more accurate. But you always want to hold it like this and then start your blade and then make your cut straight down. So yeah guys, that pretty much sums up this Black & Decker reciprocating saw, or Sawzall as it's commonly called. This is model, again, BDCR20. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. Also, be sure to check the links in the description, and I'll also put those same links in the comments on where you could pick up this Sawzall. I got this 4-piece set that includes this Sawzall, a circular saw, a drill, and a flashlight. It was like $130 some on Amazon, so it's a pretty great deal. I mean, these aren't the brushless tools, these are for homeowners, but if you're only using this a couple times a year, or you're just looking to get into doing your own repairs, these are great tools to have. So be sure to check the links in the description. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more tool and DIY content. Be sure to like this video and share it with your friends. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.